1990 century, the world discovered Udit Narayan, a singer whose voice captivated everyone effortlessly. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to call Udit Narayan the epitome of musical enchantment because listening to his song transports you from your world to a magical realm of music. And what can be said about the magic of Udit Narayan's singing? His songs are filled with pure passion and deep romance. Today's youth have grown up listening to Udit Narayan's songs. That's why even today young people are more captivated by Udit Narayan's song than by contemporary music. Some of his songs are so timeless that even after listening to them thousands of times, their magic and charm remain undiminished. These include dozens of super hit songs like दिल में दर्द सा, कहो ना प्यार है, जो भी कस्में खाई थी हमने, प्यार की कस्ते में किसी डिस्को में जाएं, गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा, एंड मैनी मोर विच आर सिंपली अनपैरेलल्ड. द सॉन्ग जिंदगी बन गए हो फ्रॉम द मूवी कसूर, एंड यहाँ की हम सिकंदर फ्रॉम द मूवी तू जीता वही सिकंदर were both sung by Udit Narayan. He also sang the song Tip Tip Barsa Pani. This is one of the songs that whenever you hear it, feels like it was made today. There's a freshness to this song. Udit Narayan is also the singer of hit song like Khai Ke Pan Banaras Wala. Udit Narayan, who came to Mumbai in 1978, got his first break in 1980 with Rajesh Roshan's film 1920. He has also sung with Mohammad Rafi. In the film 1920, he sang for the first time with Rafi Sahab and Usha Mangeshkar the song मिल गया ढूंढते थे जिसे वह मिल गया. After that, he created such a list of songs that the music of his voice captivated everyone. तुझको ना देखूं गुनगुन गुना, मैं सहरा बांध के आऊंगा, आ गया परदेसी परदेसी, सोना कितना सोना है. In 1988 with the song पापा कहते हैं from the film कयामत से कयामत तक, Udit Narayan started climbing the ladder of success and never looked back. He has sung 25,000 songs in 36 languages. He has worked with many great singers. He has worked with almost all the top personalities of Bollywood. He also sang a song written by Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, मेरी सांसों में जागी हुई फिजाएं, कोई जाने कोई ना जाने. He sang Uttar Dakshin. He had a series of songs that evoke the feelings of love. तो चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त, फिल्म ऑफ मोहरा, बोले चूड़ियाँ, कभी खुशी कभी गम, मैं निकला गड्डी लेके गदर, किसी डिस्को में जाए बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ, कुछ कुछ होता है मूवी, कहो ना प्यार है मूवी, मैं यहाँ हूँ वीर जारा मूवी, हमको हमी से चुरा लो मोहब्बतें, ऐ मेरे हम सफर, कयामत से कयामत तक, दिल लगा लिया मैंने, दिल है तुम्हारा मूवी, पहला नशा वो जीता वही सिकंदर, पापा कहते हैं कयामत से कयामत तक, जादू तेरी नजर, रुक जा ओ दिल दीवाने, दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे मूवी, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे मूवी, अकेले हैं तो क्या गम है कयामत से कयामत तक, चांद छुपा बादल में, हम दिल दे चुके सनम, मितवा, लगान मूवी. Even today, his songs are on people's lips with the same enthusiasm. Lata Mangeshkar bestowed upon him the title of Prince of Playback Singing for his contributions to the Indian music industry. He won his second Filmfare Award for Best Male Playback Singer for Mehndi Laga Ke Rakhna. He received the Filmfare Award in 1996 for Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. He won his fourth Filmfare Award for Best Playback Singer for the song Chand Chupa Badal Mein from the film Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam 2000. making him the only singer in Filmfare history to win awards in 3 different decades. He won his 5th Filmfare Award for the song Mitwa from the film Lagan. For the same song, he also received his first National Film Award for Best Male Playback Singer, which he shared with his other song Jaane Kyun Log from the film Dil Chahta Hai. His second National Film Award in this category was for the song Chote Chote Sapne from Zindagi Khoobsurat Hai, and the third for the song Ye Tera Wo Tera from Swadesh. Additionally, he won the National Film Award for Best Bhojpuri Feature Film in 2005 as the producer of Kab Hoi Gauna Hamar. The government of India honored him with the Padam Shri in 2009 and the Padam Bhushan in 2016 for his contribution to art and culture. In recognition of his contribution to Nepali music, King Virender Veer Bikram Sahdev of Nepal conferred upon him the Gorkha Dakshina Bahu honor in 2001. He is the only male singer in the history of Filmfare Awards to have won awards in 3 decades: the 1980 century, 1990 century, and 2000 century. Udit Narayan considers himself a Bihari. In an interview given to Outlook in 2017, he stated that he was born in Baisi village in Bihar. His father, Krishna, was a native of Nepal, but his mother's family was from Bihar. He was born into a farming family, but he himself had a passion for radio. Back then, people had radios. He said that whenever he listened to songs, he wondered how people managed to get inside that little box. He thought he would also go inside it one day, but this journey wasn't easy. His father was quite angry and would say, "Sing for your own enjoyment." He would say that as a farmer, his dream was for his son to become an engineer or a doctor, earn money and give it to him. He faced a lot of opposition to enter the world of singing, but he didn't lose heart. He completed his matriculation from Bihar and his intermediate studies from Nepal. He applied for a job at the government radio station in Kathmandu for 100 rupees a month and got the job. With this income, he completed his intermediate studies. During this time, he received a music scholarship from the Indian government and come to India. Udit Narayan started his journey to success with the song Papa Kehte Hain from the film Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak in 1988. His song Falak Tak Chal Saath Mere from the 2008 film Tassan is one of the lead songs. The most remarkable thing is that Udit Narayan, who started his career at Radio Nepal, is among the few Bollywood singers who have their own unique style and are not influenced by any other singer.